I wanted to address a potential error that might have occurred when I said that government was abstract. This was in response to Trump's picture. What I meant was along the lines of Wittgenstein's and Austin's philosophies of language in terms of how they view everyday common use of language. For example, if I say Obama is outside, you immediately imagine the picture. But if I say the government is outside, you think, huh? Does she mean ICE? Does she mean family services? It is in that regard that I said the government is abstract. In no way was I suggesting that the government should have an opportunity to abscond from its moral and ethical obligations, for which we should not help, but hold them accountable. Now let's move